Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, Anthony here, taking a look at the Euro Yen. It's traded down into this daily order block and looking fairly bullish. Okay, we've had this bottoming pattern here, rolled over, strong bullish candles. Keep an eye on the stock markets. If the stock markets roll over here, we could see strength come into the end, so be a little bit careful. In any case, what I'm seeing here is an opportunity for a buy, so we'll just go down and have a look at this on the lower time frame. Okay, here we are. With the 4 hour, we can see higher highs, higher lows, and we've got this a break of structure. Mark up some of these levels here. We've got this red candle. Okay, it's pulled back down in, pushed back up. Okay, we've got a bit of a double top thing, triple top thing going on here. Just be a little bit careful because this double top with a spike above could push this back down. I'd be looking for a buy opportunity if the stock markets hold up. Then if that's the case, we do have this candle here on the 4 hour imbalance that could look to get filled. So that would be a target area. All right, and then we also have this green candle distribution level above on the 4 hour as well. That would be a target area. So these two levels of interest if this holds and when we trade north. So the Euro Yen 4 hour chart, we've broken this trend. Now we're looking at this leg or this move here. Go down to the lower time frame, have a look at it quickly on the 15. What's it telling us? Trending up. Double top here. Just watch out. I mean, if it does decide it wants to continue up, I'm always looking for when it decides to attack liquidity under. So we've got this range down here. Okay, so just watch out. We could see something like that. In any case, however it shapes up, I think the lower time frame would give me the story, if that makes any sense. So I'd be looking for an entry on, say, a 3 minute. So if we see this, possibly even trade above this range, we do have this consolidation through here and a dip down. Is that enough to push this further? Right? So if you're a little bit conservative, you could wait for something like this. All right, and then, my target levels, as mentioned, up in here and above. So that could be a play for the Euro Yen. Maybe wait to see this range break through here and we start to see higher highs, higher lows forming here. I think that would be a play. Okay, guys, that's about it. By the way, join my Discord group. It's free. The link is below. So with that, hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.